Lahiri Mahasaya, born Shamacharan Lahiri in 1828, was a spiritual luminary from India. He is widely revered as the yogi who brought Kriya Yoga back to the modern world. From a young age, Lahiri Mahasaya displayed a deep-seated spiritual inclination. Growing up in a humble village in Bengal, he was drawn to the divine. He spent his early years immersed in the study of ancient scriptures and seeking spiritual enlightenment. As a young man, Lahiri Mahasaya led the life of a householder. He married, had children, and worked as an accountant for the British government. Yet his spiritual quest never diminished. He sought the guidance of wise sages and spent countless hours in meditation. Lahiri Mahasaya's life took a profound turn when he met his guru Mahavatar Babaji. This encounter, shrouded in legend, occurred in the Himalayas. It was there, amidst the towering peaks and pristine beauty, that Lahiri Mahasaya received the sacred Kriya Yoga initiation. Mahavatar Babaji, said to be an immortal Himalayan master, entrusted him with the ancient technique. This marked the beginning of Lahiri Mahasaya's mission to share this powerful practice with the world. Lahiri Mahasaya's role in the lineage of Kriya Yoga is paramount. He is considered a pivotal figure in reviving this ancient practice. Kriya Yoga, often referred to as the yoga of techniques, had been shrouded in secrecy for centuries. Mahavatar Babaji chose Lahiri Mahasaya to bring it back to light. He tasked him with making this powerful path accessible to sincere seekers. Unlike the prevalent tradition of restricting spiritual teachings, Lahiri Mahasaya embraced inclusivity. He initiated people from all walks of life into Kriya Yoga. Breaking centuries-old barriers, he taught Kriya Yoga to people regardless of their caste, creed, religion, or social standing. This radical approach challenged the existing social norms. Lahiri Mahasaya's teachings were deeply rooted in practicality. He emphasized the importance of integrating spirituality into everyday life. He taught that Kriya Yoga was not meant to be practiced in isolation. Instead, it was a tool for achieving self-realization while fulfilling one's worldly duties. Kriya Yoga, as taught by Lahiri Mahasaya, is a comprehensive system of meditation techniques. It aims to accelerate spiritual growth and awaken the dormant potential within. At its core lies the practice of Kriya Pranayama. This advanced breathing technique involves consciously directing the flow of prana, or life force energy, within the body. Through regular practice of Kriya Pranayama, practitioners aim to purify their bodies and minds. This purification process gradually leads to heightened states of awareness and inner peace. Lahiri Mahasaya emphasized the importance of regular practice, self-discipline, and surrender to the divine will. He taught that Kriya Yoga was a path of inner transformation. Central to Lahiri Mahasaya's teachings is the concept of the guru-disciple relationship. He stressed the significance of finding a genuine guru who could guide sincere seekers on their spiritual journey. The guru's role, he believed, was to provide the necessary knowledge, inspiration, and support to help disciples progress on their path. Lahiri Mahasaya's life was filled with extraordinary stories of spiritual transformation. His teachings left an indelible mark on the lives of countless individuals. One such story is that of Sri Yukteswar Giri, a direct disciple who went on to become a renowned yogi and guru himself. Sri Yukteswar's encounter with Lahiri Mahasaya transformed his life, leading him to embrace the path of Kriya Yoga. Another inspiring anecdote is that of Panchanan Bhattacharya, a skeptical scholar who approached Lahiri Mahasaya with the intention of disproving his teachings. However, upon meeting Lahiri Mahasaya and witnessing his spiritual aura, Panchanan underwent a profound change of heart and became one of his most devoted disciples. Lahiri Mahasaya's teachings continue to inspire and guide spiritual seekers worldwide. His emphasis on the practicality of Kriya Yoga, its compatibility with everyday life, and the importance of direct experience over blind faith have resonated with people from all walks of life. His legacy lives on through the numerous lineages and organizations that trace their roots back to him, ensuring that the transformative power of Kriya Yoga continues to illuminate the path for generations to come.